In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage tasks with To-Do in Outlook. Let's get started by opening your web browser and heading to outlook.live.com. If you're not already signed in, use your Microsoft account to log in. Once your inbox loads, look to the left-hand navigation. You'll see an icon for To-Do, often represented by a check mark. Click that to open the To-Do experience inside Outlook. This is where all your personal tasks live, separate from your email, so you can focus on what needs to get done without the clutter. Now let's create your first task. At the top of your list, you'll see a field that says Add a Task. Click in that box, type a clear, action-oriented title like Prepare Monthly Report or Call the Vendor, and press Enter. Keep titles short but specific so you'll instantly know what the task is when you come back later. After adding a task, open its details to make it more useful. Here you can set a due date so the task appears on the right day and doesn't slip. Choose today, tomorrow, next week, or pick a custom date that fits your schedule. If timing matters, add a reminder so Outlook nudges you at the right moment. For example, set a 9 a.m. reminder to kick off your morning. You can also add a note with key context, links, or a quick checklist. If your organization supports mentions, use the @ symbol in the notes to reference someone for visibility. The more context you add now, the less you'll have to remember later. As you work through your list, mark tasks complete by checking the box next to each one. This instantly moves the task to your completed section, keeping your active list clean. If you check something by accident, no worries, just undo or uncheck it to bring it back. For items that really matter, mark them as important by clicking the star icon. Started tasks show up in the important view, which is a great way to focus on high-impact work. Use this sparingly so the important list remains meaningful, and consider reviewing it at the start of each day to plan your top 3 priorities. That's it. Navigate to outlook.live.com, open To-Do, add tasks, enrich them with due dates, reminders, and mentions when available, check them off when done, and star what's critical. A quick daily review and consistent updates will keep you organized and on track. Thanks for watching, and happy task managing in Outlook.